Hi everyone, this is Ed. Welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. This is the video that's part of a series of creating your test lab in Azure. Now you can see I'm logged into my Exchange 2019 server A, and we're going to join this machine to the domain. I just want to make you aware of a couple of things. Because it is not a live environment and everything can see the domain controller, you put the right DNS in. In Azure, you got to make a few tweaks. So if you go to network sharing and you go to your properties of your TCP/IP4, the DNS is set to automatic, and the preferred DNS is the public IP. In this case, we need to put in the IP address of the preferred DNS as the server that we created initially for our domain controller, and then put the public IP address second so that the machine can get to the internet. Once you click OK, the machine actually hangs and you lose connectivity and you have to reboot. After you've rebooted, you can log back into the machine without a problem. The next thing that you need to do is you need to open your hosts file, which is under C Windows System 32, etc drivers, and then the hosts file. Open with Notepad, elevated. In this case, we need to put in the IP address of the domain controller and then the NetBIOS name and obviously the local name of the domain controller. Now, because this is a lab in Azure, you would obviously have to do this. Exchange works. I've had many labs running, but in a production environment, you wouldn't need to do this. Okay, so now that I've done that, to save time, we can then go to the system properties, and now we can join this machine to our test lab domain. So if I type in testlab.local and I put in my username and password, we are now able to join the domain. So now you click OK, and we now reboot. Once I reboot, the machine will take a couple of minutes and it'll come back online. And in our next video, we'll look at installing all the prerequisites for Exchange 2019. Thank you for watching.